Hi, and welcome to our interactive data analyst. To begin, select a test from the left sidebar. We find it helps to expand the page names by clicking this little arrow in the bottom left-hand corner. Hovering over different segments of the bars will give more detailed information. All of the on-screen controls can be used to manipulate the various charts on a page. Watch as we make some selections and the charts respond in real time. Some controls are multi-select, allowing you to choose different aspects for comparison. One, some, or all. Only relevant information will be shown based on your selection. For example, selecting a middle school will only show grades associated with that school. Matched cohort charts compare the exact same group of students over time. We've been viewing Smarter Balanced. Let's look at LPAC. To change the assessment you're viewing, simply click on one of the tiles on the left sidebar. You can navigate the pages with the Previous and Next buttons. Or just click on the page that you want in the list to the left. Now let's view some star reports. The selection controls at the top of each page are similar for all tests. Now let's check out some iReady examples. And here are some examples for NWEA map. And now some reports for IXL. We'd love to talk and show you how we can save you bundles of time and money. We take on all the difficult work to consolidate and blend the results from your diverse assessment sources, all in a single platform. Our Ready Reports modules include pre-built PDF-ready reports for each administrator, teacher, and parent. We visually communicate multiple assessment results, grades, attendance, and discipline data for groups, subgroups, and individual students. We help you identify students needing supports, and we chart achievement and growth trends for instructional planning, compliance, accountability, and your community. To get more information, scan the QR codes here or contact us via our website, email, or telephone. Thanks for watching.